Another design of Sir Charles Barry is the famous Trafalgar Square. This site has played a part in London's history for centuries. It's played host to innumerable cultural events, performances, public demonstrations, and celebrations. Just a stone's throw from Big Ben and the Palace of Westminster, this square is central to all of London, making it an easy walk to Covent Garden, Buckingham Palace, or St. James Park. Standing proudly in the middle of the square is Nelson's Column, built to honor Admiral Nelson for his victory at the Battle of Trafalgar in 1805. An 18-foot-tall Admiral Nelson proudly stands atop his column, while scenes depicting his battles are displayed below. At the base of the column sit 4 massive bronze lions, practically begging to be in a photo with you. Two fountains flank Nelson's Column, offering a calming oasis during the winter and a welcomed respite from the heat during the summer. Magical mermaids, dolphins, and other sea creatures spout water into the basin below, creating an extremely relaxing ambiance. At the north end of the square stands the National Gallery, one of London's most important museums, with paintings spanning 6 centuries. Admiralty Arch at the south end of Trafalgar Square marks the entrance to the Mall, the famous red road that leads to Buckingham Palace.